Welcome to my channel.
Welcome back everyone to my channel. Today we'll be making African traditional hats, specifically the Nigerian Igbo traditional hat. Now I'll be making size large, which is 23 inches. Now I have already cut the interior material to be the same 23 inches for large. Cut the fabric. This fabric is called Isiagu. Isiagu is made of wool. It's kind of flannel cotton. I like to use this white tacky glue because it works for most fabrics. So that's what I'm using now. But to join this thing together, I'm going to use this hot glue because it dries quicker. Join it at the edge, then you fold it to make it clean and smooth. I like to use hot glue to hold it. The tacky glue needs a few minutes to dry, so I use hot glue. But this one works so fast. I use it to hold where I need the glue to be quickly stiff, not to wait. So now I get my foam. This is a naked foam. You can get the one that is thicker than this, but this is one I have now. And I will measure. There is a style I'm gonna make, which is the one, I haven't done that before. I will cut the fabric to be a little more than the foam, so that I'll be able to gather it at the edge. Even though you can still put it like this, it works, but I'm gonna stitch it to form a gather here. Space it out because everything is gonna be hidden anyway. When you're done, pull it to make it gather and kind of curvy, to give you that curvy shape at the top of the hat. See what I mean? So you need to add a few centimeters of fabric to be able to do this. This is my first time doing this, but I think it's gonna work out fine. I hope it doesn't give me a squeezy shape on top. With your glue, I'm back with my tacky glue. It holds really stiff. When this glue dries up, you can't pull it out. That's why I like it. And it doesn't make a mess. If there's any white area left, as soon as it dries up, you can't find it. It dries really clear. You need to press all the stitched area to the glue. Press it really hard to make sure it stays. And this is the time for you to give it the shape you want. You want a rectangle or oval or triangle shape. Now it's time to get the lining. I'll be using this material. It's cotton, plain cotton, for the lining. Cut it out. Make sure to cut enough to cover up the sides, because if I have had a problem where I didn't cut enough, then I had some parts showing. Cut enough to cover up all the sides on the inside. Back with my tacky glue. Press it hard to cover up all the areas that are exposed. Then get your ribbon, your elastic, or whatever thing you like to use. But I'll probably use fabric, the same cotton fabric that I used for lining, to cover up the inside. So see what I do. I get a hard interior, cover it up with this fabric. Measure it round to find out the length that you need for your hat. This is a little longer, so I'll trim it out. Cut out the fabric. And use the same glue, whatever glue you use. I'll use my white tacky glue to cover up this interior. Like I said, you can use ribbon, a large ribbon, depending on the size of the areas you like to cover. I have used ribbon, then I covered it. I went round twice to make sure that I covered it all. I just want to do it once, so I'm cutting this. So if you feel like the length is good, then you can go ahead and put your glue. Put the glue all around, even on top of the lining where that strip is going to cover, to make sure everything sticks. You can also put glue at the back of the strap if you want to. Because it's wet, I will be clipping it as I go to make sure it holds and not shifts. If you are enjoying this video so far, please like, comment, share, and ask me any question you want to ask. I will respond as quickly as I can. When you get to the other end of it, you need to add more glue, so that you add more glue. I'm spraying this water just to clean up some of the excess glues that spilled over. Even though when it dries you won't see it, but I like to clean it when it's wet. Spray some water, clean it up. Then you now press this hard to make sure everything is well placed the way you like it before it starts to dry up, because as soon as it dries up, you can't shift it. This glue is like that. We're pretty much done. So what we are gonna do is keep it to dry. I'm gonna keep it for a couple of minutes, or if I don't have anything to do with it, I'll leave it till the next day, then I'll take it out. There you go. There's the time to clean up anything, excess glue or anything that is not supposed to be there, and your hat is ready. I'll put my label, Lady Dilta Creations. Thank you for watching, and see you back soon again. Bye bye.